Hey guys, welcome to Pantry Living. So glad that you found us. So here at Pantry Living, we're going to be talking about all things pantry, of course. You might recognize us because we are actually a sister or a baby channel, I don't know what you want to call it, of Hickory Croft Farm. Now, Hickory Croft Farm has been on YouTube for a few years now, and many of you have followed along with all of our pantry content. But we've made a decision to separate that. There's a lot of things behind that, but mostly it is to help you, the subscribers and viewers, find the content that you want to watch. So with that being said, what are you going to see on this channel? Canning, of course, preserving, pantry, all things pantry. I'm so excited to actually take you guys for grocery hauls because even though we do grow a lot, as you've seen on our Hickory Croft channel, and if you haven't seen our Hickory Croft channel, definitely go check that out. We'll link it below. We'll link it up here. We like to kind of cross-pollinate, right? Not only do we grow a whole lot of our food, but we do also stock a lot of those essentials that we can't grow ourselves. So I like the idea of taking you on those journeys as we look for the bargains for those things and make sure that our pantry is stocked with everything we're going to need for a whole year's worth of growing. Preserving, not growing. Whatever, eating a lot of food. And of course, no preserving in pantry is complete without a freezer. We're in the midst of a freezer challenge that is not going so well, so stay tuned for some videos on how we're going to solve that problem. And of course, you're going to see a lot of us in the kitchen. We're going to be making canning recipes as well as just those quick dinners, showing you how to use what you've got in your pantry to the best, it's not an advantage, but we'll say the best use, as well as stuff fresh from the garden. Now, if you're interested in more of the gardening content, again, that's going to be back on Hickory Croft Farm. We are trying to focus here on basically the cooking and the pantry. But stay tuned and bear with us as we start transferring all of our old content from Hickory Croft onto the new. We are going to leave some of the videos out because not everything is super relevant now, but there are some great recipes there that we don't want to lose in the whole shuffle. So bear with us. We're going to mix some new content in with some old content and hopefully make the best of our Pantry Living channel.